Hello guys, today we are going to solve pattern problem 8, inverted star pattern. In the given question, you can see that integer n we have and print the following pattern. So let's observe the pattern. So in the first line, you can see that we have to print 9 star and the value of n equal to 5 means the double of n and minus 1. And then in the second line, you have to print 7 star. Then when we go downward in the pattern, it decremented by 2. In the second line, you can see that we have print 7 star, and in the third line, you can see that we have to print 5 star, means it decremented by 2. And there is one more thing. We have to print the space also. In the first line, there is 0 space. And in the second line, you can see that we have a 1 space and then 7 star, then 1 space. And in the third line, 2 space and 5 star and 2 space. And in the fourth line, 3 space, 3 star, 3 space. And in the fifth line, 4 space, 1 star, 4 space. So see the example, n equal to 3, we have to print the 5. Double the n and minus 1. And then it decremented by 2 and increment the space by 1. So let's solve the problem, guys. So we already discussed the problem. That's all. So you know that we're going to write the first for loop for the row. Here we go. Now the main thing, we're going to write the nested loops. So first you can see that we have to print the 0 space and the number of stars equal to n minus 1. So here we're going to write the first nested loop for print the 0 space. In this loop, if j is not equal to I and smaller than I, then it's print space. If it is not, then it print 0 space. Here in the first iteration, if j equal to 0 and I also 0, then it's print 0 space and exit the loop. So let's print the space here. Remove the ln, and here we go. Now we have to print. The stars. For the star, we're going to write another for loop. In the given pattern, you can see that we have to print the number of star double the n and minus 1. So I'm going to initialize the j equal to double the n, 2 into n minus 1. And then the condition is it's print the number of stars here, and j is greater. If j is greater, 2 into I plus 1, and then we have to increment the j here in this loop. In this loop, you can see that I is initialized by n, means here j equal to 2 into n, and let the value of n equal to 5 as we see in the example. So 5 into 2 and minus 1. Then the value of j goes to 9. Means it's print the 9 star in the first iteration. And the condition is we have to print equal to. Here if j is smaller, to printing I in the first iteration value of I equal to 0. We initialize the I by 0. So here 2 into I and then we increment by 1. Here the condition, this loop run 9 times only. Because we put +1, it's always j is always greater until the j value is 1. In the first iteration j value is 1, then it decrement, then j value is 8. We have to decrement because we have to print the 9 star here, and then j value is, in the first term j value is 9, then it decrement to 8, then it decrement to 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's print 9 star, then exit the loop. Now right, print the star on the ln. I would put the star here. After that we want a space as usual. So here we go, write the another for loop again. Put the space similar to the first for loop and initialize. Then j is smaller than I. Then increment j and print the space. Remove the ln. And close it. After that we want a new line, so here we write ln and one new line. Let's run the program, guys. Maybe I put extra bracket. Let's see, it's close here and it's close here and it's close here and it's close. This is the extra one. Let's run again. Here I'm going to enter 5, and now you can see the pattern. In the printing the I, here you can see that the value of I in the first iteration is 9, and it's iterate the I until the j is smaller than 5, because here you can say that once it print star 1, then the value of j, then the value of j equal to 8, then it's print again star 1 or 2, then value of j is decremented, it's 7, then it's print again one more star here and the value of j is decremented, 6, then it's similarly one more star, value of j decremented, 5, one more star, value of j decremented, 4, one more star, value of j decremented, 3, one more star, value of j decremented, 2, one more star, value of j decremented, 1, and one more star, value of decremented to 0. Now the condition is false. It exits the loop. Here here we go to count the curve. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's run 9 times. it's print 9 star and then exit the loop. And the second iteration, the value of j is 9, but the value of the condition value is greater because this time I value is 1, and it's print 7 star because until the sum of this equal to 3, and it's length until j